Okay, hello everyone, how are you today? So see you again. So I am teacher Sokha. So today I'm going to share with you with English from grade 9. Okay, our unit is unit 5, visiting a shop. Okay, so don't waste our time, please let's start all together. So first let me share the screen for you. Okay, so this is the Unit 5, visiting a shop. Okay. So here are the vocabulary that all of you need to understand them first before we start reading our unit. Okay, so the first word is said, bank, bank. It is noun here, the meaning in Khmer, Thoniki. Okay. And one more word is okay, diaper, diaper. Okay, it is noun, counted noun. Okay, the third word or okay, the next word is fancy. Okay, fancy. It is adjective. Okay, đại hư hà. Okay, lôi chai. Okay, fancy. And fruit basket, fruit basket. Okay, it is noun, control apply to. Okay, and one more word that we need to understand too is kittens. Kittens. Okay, it is noun, con chma. Okay, the next is plain. Plain is adjective that saman. That saman that from the ribbon. Ribbon. Okay, it is noun dùng sai bố. Okay. And one more is shopping mall. Shopping mall. Okay, it is noun hand pronoun. And the last word, it is stove. Stove. It is noun. You can say in Khmer, changkran. Okay. So these are new vocabulary for all of you to understand, right? So I hope that all of you, okay, know how to pronounce it and the part of speech and the meaning in Khmer. Okay, so we need to uh so this is the vocab uh the definition in English and also the example. Okay, why we need to know definition in English after translating this word into Khmer? Because we want to know the exact meaning of each word and also know how to use this word into sentences. Okay, so this is a great vocabulary list for Unit 5, which is in your shop. Here are the definition and examples and simple example for each English word followed by practice task. Okay, so at the end, we also have a task. Okay, task. Okay, or practice time, right? So vocabulary and definition is important. So we have 4 columns. Here is the words. This is part of speak, and this is definition. This is a simple sentence. So the first word, as you know it, we say bank. It is now here the definition in English, a place where people keep their money. Okay, the place that the people keeps their money. For example, I need to go to the bank to get some cash. Okay, okay. So here the word bank. Okay, as you can see, it can see clearer than the other word in the sentence. Diaper. Okay, diaper is noun. It means a piece of source material that absorbs liquid worn by a baby. Worn by a baby. Okay, a piece of source material that absorbs liquid. Okay, absorb the liquid worn by a baby. For example, the baby needs a fresh diaper. Okay, diapers, as you know here, the meaning diaper, right? Okay, how to know? Okay, and this word is fancy. Okay, fancy is adjective. It means elaborate, expensive or special or not simple or plain. Okay. For example, we went to a fancy restaurant for dinner. Okay, fancy restaurant, a very modern restaurant, right? And fruit basket, it is noun. It means that a container filled with different kinds of fruits. Okay, a container filled with different kinds of fruits. For example, she gave her teacher a fruit basket as a gift. Okay, thank you so much for the student. Okay, okay, so girls, her teachers, okay, a fruit basket as a gift. And the next word is kittens. It's noun, is a baby cat. So a baby cat we call kitten. For example, the little kittens love to play with a ball of yarn. Okay. Normally the kitten like to play very much. And plain is this adjective. It means simple, ordinary, or not decorated. Just a plain, right? So I like to wear a plain t-shirt, right? Just simple white t-shirt. Okay. Okay, so I love to wear like plain, like you can sayแบบสามัญ okay, plain. And a ribbon. A ribbon it means a long narrow strip or metaphor used for tying or decorating, right? To make something to make beautiful. Okay, first of all, she tie a pink ribbons around the gift box. That is around the gift box, right? And shopping mall is now a large building with different store inside. Okay, a large and very big. Okay. For example, we bought a new shoe at the shopping mall. Okay. Stove is now a piece of equipment used for cooking or heating. For example, please turn off the stove after you finish cooking. Okay, this is the practice time, right? So we have 5 sentences for you to complete. Okay, fill in the blanks and choose the best word from the list about to complete each sentence. First of all, my mom bought a new electric, okay, to cook dinner faster. Electric, electric stove, right? Electric stove. So we complete the word stove here, right? Okay, so we're gonna write stove, right? S-T-O-V-E, stove, right? And then number two, I put a small red on the bracing to make it looks nicer. Okay, present here, I mean gift, right? I mean gift. So here we complete the word rib. Okay, ribbon, right? Ribbon. Okay, we put like this, ribbon. And number three, the baby started crying because he needed a new diaper. A new diaper, right? New diaper. Okay, new diaper. Okay, so it. Okay, right, right? Okay, and next, okay, sorry. And number four, we spend all Saturday afternoon walking around the lodge. Okay, we spend uh, all Saturday after working around the large shopping mall, right? So we complete the shopping mall. And I prefer a notebook without any design on the cover. So I prefer a plain notebook, right? A plain book without any design on the cover, right? So this is the uh, what I share with you. Okay, the vocabulary and example and the meaning in Khmer. I hope all the students will understand what I explained to you. Okay, if you think this video is very useful to you, so don't forget to press the button subscribe and list your comment if you want to study English with teacher. Okay, our teacher also have online class for all the students who want to study English. Okay, so time to say goodbye. Okay, thank you so much.